You are talking to someone in English. You feel good. But suddenly, your brain stops. You know the word. It is right on the tip of your tongue. But you just can't remember it. Do you understand English perfectly, but freeze when you try to speak? Don't worry. You are not alone. If you always forget words when you speak English, please watch this video. Today, I am going to give you my best secrets to never freeze again. Let's get started. First, why does this happen? Listen to me carefully. Your memory is not bad. The problem is that your brain is trying to translate from your native language to English. Translation takes too much time. When you are stressed, your brain blocks the English word. We need to stop translating and start thinking in English. Here are 7 simple tips to help you remember words and speak smoothly. Number 1. Describe it. If you forget the word microwave, don't panic. Just say, that machine that makes food hot. Native speakers do this all the time. Focus on the meaning, not the perfect word. Number 2. Use simple substitute words. If you forget a noun, use the word thing or stuff. For example, can you pass me that thing for the soup? People will understand you. Number 3. Learn in chunks. Stop memorizing single words. Learn full sentences. Instead of learning the word way, learn the phrase, by the way. It is much easier for your brain to remember phrases. And number 4, don't stop talking. When you forget a word, don't stop the conversation. Use a filler phrase like, how do I say this, or what's the word, and keep moving. Number 5, talk to yourself. When you are alone at home, describe what you are doing in English. I am making coffee. The water is hot. This trains your brain to think in English with zero pressure. And number 6, consume more English. Read, watch YouTube, and listen to podcasts. Your brain needs lots of easy English input to give you good English output. Number 7, relax. Stress is the enemy of memory. Take a deep breath. Speak slowly. You are doing great. Now, I need to warn you about one huge mistake. When learners forget a word, they often say, I'm sorry, my English is bad. Please stop doing this. It destroys your confidence. You are speaking a second language, and that is amazing. Instead of saying sorry, just smile and say, give me a second to think. I want to hear from you right now. What is one English word that you always forget? Tell me down in the comments, and let's laugh about it together. Remember, forgetting words is just a normal part of learning. You are a work in progress, and I am so proud of you. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button to join our English family. And if you want to speak even faster, click the video on the screen right now. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time.